The war in Sudan will end. What matters is what comes after. One path restores the old model, a military state, religion fused with political authority, power centralized in Khartoum. The other path refounds the republic.
Tacitus and the Nairobi Charter propose a secular federal state.
Religion separated from government, power distributed across Sudan's regions. This is about whether civilians govern themselves or remain governed by permanent mobilization. The war will end. Sudan can restore its past or build its future.